Amsterdam calling, so pick up.
Hello everyone, I'm Dam Jerry from the Amsterdam Calling YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to announce my Amsterdam and You walking tours. So besides filming all the highlights and hidden gems of Amsterdam, now I'll be showing them to you in person as well. There's just so much to see and do in the Amsterdam city center that it is impossible to see everything in one tour. So I specifically designed my tour to show you the maximal amount of things possible in a sensible time frame. The tour is 3 hours long. We cover a lot of ground, but we also do it in a relaxed, non-rush pace. I like to keep the size of my groups fairly small, between 4 and 10 people on average. That way it is easier for us to converse and for you to ask me questions. So it is my goal with my tour to make you feel like you are a part of this city and not like an outsider just traveling through it. In other words, I want to make you feel like a local and not like a tourist. So to book my Amsterdam and You walking tour, please go to amsterdamandyou.com. I'll put the link in the video description box below. Can't wait to show you around. Amsterdam and You, the perfect combination.